Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
uTorrent download speed. So here I'm gonna give you how to increase the download speed on your uTorrent. So first of all, I have four ways for you guys and a bonus one. So we're just gonna start with the first way. First way is check your internet speed connection, because sometimes the internet speed connection may be low and it may cause your uTorrent to down. So to do that, just go to Google and type in speed test right here. Type in speed test. There you go. Then run speed test. And there you go. Check your speed test. If it's high or low, maybe something like that. There you go. Check on speed test and also the download speed test. There you go. So as you can see now, it is running quite properly and good. But if you're still having we're gonna X that, still having a problems with your internet, even with good internet speed, I suggest the second way is just closing apps right here. Let's for example, GOG, exit that. Game loop exit. We're gonna exit BlueStacks. Momo exit quit. Just quit all the stuff that needs or takes the background internet connection. And the number three is by right clicking on the what they call this on your file that you're downloading. Then here you will see right here bandwidth. So here at bandwidth you can put it on normal. As you can see right now, it's normal, or you can make it high. So once you make it high, it increases the kbs, as you can see right there. There you go, it increases it. That becomes 200, 260. As you can see, it perfectly works. That is the easiest way to do that. And now we're gonna right click on it, or you can just do update tracker. Then here and go on properties and add a few trackers right here to increase its download speed right here. Just you can add some trackers if you have any trackers. Then there you go. And then the last part is by going to file, and then I meant options, then preference. After clicking on preference, you will see right here a maximum upload rate. As you can see, as you can see right now, 0. You can increase it. You can put it on to 15. I suggest putting on 15. There you go. And then right here at BitTorrent, right here you will see right here at BitTorrent, enable the protocol if it's off. But mostly it's just on when you download it, so you don't have to go right here to BitTorrent and enable the protocol enhancement. But for some individuals it's turned off. I don't know why, but yeah, just leave it on right there. Then click on apply right here. There you go. So as you can see, I only did remove a few of the call this stuff right there, few apps, and then just right click and then click on this, made it high. As you can see, my download speed just became from 100 to now it's going to 300, 400, 500. As you can see, it increases its download speed. And before I go, bonus tip for you guys, I suggest if you're using PC, I suggest using an internet cable connected to your Wi-Fi. And yeah, like what I'm using right now. There you go, internet cable right here, connected to the Wi-Fi. So yeah, just doing that. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.